Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening your project and performing a Gradle sync so dependencies load. This avoids preview errors. Once done, open any layout XML in the layout editor, switch to split or design view to see the live preview pane. This shows different API levels and themes. Next, prepare a target environment. Launch an Android virtual device from AVD Manager or plug a physical device with USB debugging enabled. Because preview versus runtime can differ, and now you configure the preview toolbar. Pick device profile, API level, orientation, and theme to match your target. Make sure your build variant is correct, and the run/debug configuration points at the right module and launchable activity. Wrong settings produce blank screens. Use apply changes to push code and resource tweaks quickly, and when layout binding or live data is involved, run the app on the emulator to validate behavior, because the preview can show static states only. Finish by running the app and using Layout Inspector to confirm the runtime hierarchy and data bindings. This helps you spot differences the static preview missed. If the preview fails or renders incorrectly, clean the project, rebuild, and, if necessary, invalidate caches and restart Android Studio to resolve stale state. Make sure to check Logcat and the Gradle console for errors, and if a recent change broke the preview, revert that change to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.